Hi, my Kayla crew, welcome back. So today I've got a Natalie Attired collection to share with you. This is actually my limited collection. So with the limited collection, you're gonna pay $72 plus your $10 shipping, and they're gonna mail you a bag of 3 to 4 items. And the items are gonna be worth $150 or more. That's a great deal, right? So if you love your whole collection, which hopefully you do, then you're getting the items at like 50% off. That's pretty cool. Now, you also have the option, like let's say you just like one of the items that come in your bag, you can keep that item, but you're gonna end up paying full price for that item, okay? So sometimes, like let's say if they send you 4 things and you like 3 out of the 4, it makes more sense to keep the whole thing, because if you just keep 3, you're paying full price for the 3. You know what I'm trying to say? So my last limited collection was my absolute favorite. I loved that collection. I'm gonna pop a card up above in case you missed it, because yeah, that one like nailed it. Yep. So I'm hopeful for this one too. There's a couple of fun pieces in here, and I have a pair of earrings. Yep, so that's really cool too. All right, let's dig in and see what's inside. Okay, so I've got the first 2 pieces on, and boy, does this outfit scream fall. So this first top is by Zenobia. It's in the color navy. It says it's an extra large on the sheet, tab sleeve, collar, button down top. And okay, so remember the collection was $72, but this top is valued at $46. So, oh, it's 100% rayon. So, you know, this top, it's so unique, and I just love the colors of it. I really, really do. And I love the overall style. Now, I took one sleeve down and I put one sleeve up because it is a roll tab sleeve, but I want to see what we like better. Now, that was pretty silly. I probably should have kept both up in the roll tab and then took them down. So let's roll this up really quick. But while I'm doing that, what do you think about the colors of this top? I think the colors are gorgeous. Sometimes mustards can be tricky for me, but because the mustard is mixed with other colors, like look at the burgundies, look at the navy, there's even some white in there, I think it works for me. Yep, I do. I kind of think it breaks it up. I like the colored shirt look. I don't always like that, but I think it works with this. It is, and look at no gaping. Yep, can we give it 2 thumbs up for that? Now, the only thing that's kind of driving me crazy about this top, and I'm gonna try to look past it. Can you see? You knew that was gonna happen. That was gonna drive me crazy, right? The lines of the pocket don't line up with, you know, it should be like right there. But you know what? Maybe I can look past it. So here's how they look rolled up. And I think that it looks really cute. I know some of you don't like roll tab sleeves. They don't bother me. And actually, I often pull up my sleeves anyway. So yeah, I think it's a really cute look. They sent me these mustard pants, and I like these a lot. So we'll talk about those in a minute. But let's finish talking about the shirt. What do you think? Look at the pattern and how pretty it is. I really like this shirt. I want to be able to look past it. I do. Now, I don't know. It twists here. Is it too short? I don't know. I don't think so. I think because these are high-waisted pants, and I'd have to wear this top with high-waisted pants, it works. I got to get past that because I think it's a really cute fall top. It'd be a really cute work top. I could pair this with like burgundy pants that I have for work, even navy. And then, you know, maybe next year I can pair it, you know, like how you transition from summer to fall and you still want to wear like summer clothing, but get into fall styles. Like I could pair it with white pants and jeans. Yep, like late August going into work kind of thing. Yep, I see that working. So, all right, let me show you the back of it. So I think it's super cute. All right, let's look at it. So here's with the roll tab sleeves. And here's how it looks down. So you could really wear it either way. Let's see. I think I like them rolled up better. I do. It's not bad, but I think it looks cute rolled up. It kind of adds to the shirt. Let me know what you think about this top. I'm gonna talk, you know what? Let me put on the other sweater and then we'll talk about the pants. No, let's talk about the pants now. Let me just turn the camera down. These pants are wax jeans. They are the Twill skinny pants, and the value is $42. So, you know I've been wanting colored denim for fall. I think this is a great color. Now, I've mentioned this before a couple times. It's hard for me to pull off mustard close to my face. I think having mustard on the bottom might work. What do you think? I think I like these pants a lot. They were a bit long. Now, Kelsey, who's a member of the Kayla crew, she actually mentioned that she often has the same problem where her pants come too long and she cuffs her pants under sometimes for a clean look. That's what I did with these instead of just cuffing them regularly. So I think that's a nice look too. What do you think? I think they're really cute. They're comfortable too. I think I could pair them with a lot. Actually, stay tuned for the end because I'm gonna take the shirt that I had on in the intro and try to pair it with these for like a late summer look too. So yeah, stay tuned. But I think it's a really cute, I think the pants are nice. So actually right now I have a pair of shoes I'm gonna grab just to show you what the outfit would look like as a complete outfit. So hang on. Okay, so I uncuffed the pants and they're not too bad. I know I'm a little bit far away, but I wanted you to see the complete outfit. So I put on just some mules. You guys have seen these mules, you know where they're from. So I put these mules on and I think it's a nice, cute fall outfit. What do you think? Let me know. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna show you the shirt at the end. I wanna show you the other sweater they sent me and the earrings they sent me in this collection, so hang tight. Okay, so it's later in the day for me. It's the same day for you, of course, same time for you. But you know what? I went to put this video together and I couldn't find the footage of me describing this sweater. And I know for sure I did it because I was talking about the fabric and the fit. I must not have hit the record button and not even noticed it until after. So anyway, let me talk about this sweater to you. I had to take the dog outside, so we're outside for this clip. So this is by Cotton Blue and this is the long sleeve black striped sweater. $44. It's 100% polyester, which I was very surprised that it was 100% polyester. You could definitely feel a little bit, but I didn't think the whole thing was. And, oh, extra large. So I do like the colors of this top. I'm close so you could see the pretty colors. I love the greens with the mustard, with the blues. I think it's really pretty, but can you tell what's off? Yeah. So see right here, there's a seam. So I think if this seam were up here where my shoulder hit, it would fit me better. I just don't think this cut works for my shoulder area and my arm area. So I think that's why the fit is off. It's a really cute sweater. It's very, I would say very, very thick, but it is thick and it would be a good sweater to keep you warm during the winter. Yeah. So it does go nicely with these pants too. I like the concept of it. I wish it had a V-neck. I really do. You know me, maybe it's the neckline too that's throwing me off. So I do like the colors and the concept of the sweater, but it just doesn't work right for me, you know? It does have slits here, little teeny slits on each side. Let me show you the back of it. So I like the length of it, I like the coverage it gives you, I like the colors of it. I just don't care for the fit of it for me, but you're gonna see me explain in the next clip or the clip after that because this is the limited collection. If I were to only keep those other 3 pieces, I'd be paying full price for those and it's not worth it. So I may have to find a use for the sweater. So you'll see me in the next clip explain. I think they're the earrings that are coming up next, so stay tuned. Okay, so if these aren't a Kayla earring, I don't know what is. Aren't they so cute? Oh, I just love them. They're adorable. So they're a little bit heavy. They're not as heavy as you'd think they'd be. I love the shape of them. They've got like a big teardrop shape. I love the color of them. I'm gonna take one off. I put them on so that I could show you. Oh, I didn't tell you what they were, what the value was. I know, I'm so focused on these adorable earrings. So let's see, the brand is number 3. It says genuine leather, $24. So here's the earring close up. Hang on. How cute. Oh my goodness. So you guys know, of course I already have a pair of leopard print earrings, but the ones I own are darker and these will fill a void in my jewelry collection. You know they will. How could I pass these up? Look at the back. I know you don't see the back, but look, you know, sometimes your earrings twist around and if my hair is in a bun, you're gonna see the back of my earrings. And look at how pretty the back is. Look at it with the gold. I love that. Whoops. I love that. How pretty. Total Kayla earring. I know it doesn't match what I have on, but that's all right. I have tons of stuff I could put these with. So cute. Oh my goodness. They are statement and I love it. Yep. I love it. All right, so that was my collection. So I got these earrings, this sweater, these pants, and this blouse right here. Now, I love everything. The only thing that I don't really care for is this sweater. And I think, well, you know, it makes sense to keep everything because sending one piece back, I'd have to pay full price, you know? So yeah, what do you think? What's your favorite piece from this collection? Let me know. All right, stay tuned because what I'm going to do is I'm going to try these pants on with the blouse I had on in my intro, which by the way, the blouse I had on in my intro is actually a piece that I got from Natalie Attired, I think last year. And this top I'm gonna try on with dark denim to see how it looks with dark denim. So let's do some playing around for a little bit. So hang on one second. Okay, so I'm a little bit closer. I want you to see there's mustard in this blouse and I paired it with the pants that they sent me. Now remember, I think I told you before we were coming to this clip that this tank actually came from a Natalie Attired collection. I think it was last year because I remember pairing it with different colored cardigans. This is a great fall tank to layer with. And so I think it looks nice with the pants. I think that I like a longer shirt with the mustard pants, cover up my belly a little bit, but I still can pull off the colored pants, you know? So I think the longer look works for me. And I think with the mules, I put the mules back on. I might even wear, like today I could wear heeled sandals because it's like 80 degrees here in New England. And I could put my sandals on. Actually, I might just wear this outfit. I gotta run to Target. So I may just keep this on and do my errands, put some sandals on. I think with the heels and a longer top, it elongates me. Am I seeing things or am I right? I think it looks really nice. I probably would wear a longer shirt with these pants. I did like the blouse that they sent with it, but I think I like the blouse that they sent with it with darker denim. You're gonna see that in a second. I tried it on already and you're gonna see it too. So what do you think? I think this is a cute, like late summer, early fall outfit. And then if it gets chilly, you know, I know I'm bad at mixing colors. Not bad at it. I'm matchy. And so I think I could probably pull a burgundy cardigan and keep these mustard pants on, maybe? We'll see. I don't know. I might be brave enough to do that. But anyway, I think this top goes nicely with these pants too. So see, I'm mixing and matching pieces that I already have in my closet to go with the pieces they sent me. All right, let's see how that blouse looks with the darker denim. Okay, so here's the blouse with a pair of jeans. Now, I picked distressed jeans for two reasons. One is a selfish reason because I want to see how it looks because I've been pulling for distressed jeans a lot lately. So I want to see how it looks and I think it looks pretty cute and it goes to show you that you could dress it down more casually. And the second reason why I picked distressed jeans is to show you that it works casually. So I answered both of the reasons in the first one. So what do you think? I think it looks really cute. Yes, I have it on with the mules. I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of these mules. I think it goes really nicely with this outfit. What do you think? I think it's cute. So I think that I could wear this blouse with denim and with other pairs of pants to dress it up so I could wear it to work and wear it on the weekend. So let me know what you think. So I think this is a pretty good collection. So I think I'm gonna keep it all. The only thing that, like I said, I'm not crazy about because of the fit, whoops, is the sweater. Yep, this is the only thing. So, but you know, like I said, if I sent this piece back, you'd have to pay full price for the other pieces. So, well, not the jeans, these jeans are mine. The mustard jeans, the top, the earrings. So it makes it worth it to keep it all. Let me know what you think about this collection and hopefully you enjoyed the little teeny styling tips I included too. Thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it and I will see you in my next video.